Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to set up HubSpot for agency clients step by step, so you can manage multiple clients efficiently in 2026. Let's get started. HubSpot is a powerful platform for agencies because it allows you to centralize CRM, marketing, sales, and reporting for each client. A proper setup ensures smooth operations and clear results. First, create or access the client's HubSpot account. Make sure the correct subscription level is selected based on the client's needs. Agencies often work with Marketing Hub, Sales Hub, or full CRM access. Next, configure the CRM foundation. Set up contact properties, companies, deals, and lifecycle stages that match the client's business model. Clean structure is essential for automation and reporting. Now connect the client's digital assets, integrate the website, domain, email sending domain, and tracking code. This allows HubSpot to track visitors, leads, and conversions accurately. Set up lead capture tools, create forms, landing pages, and CTAs tailored to the client's offers. All leads should flow directly into the CRM with proper source tracking. Move on to email and automation setup. Create branded email templates and basic workflows for lead nurturing and follow-ups. Use automation to save time and maintain consistency. Configure user access and permissions. Assign roles to your agency team and the client's internal team. This ensures security and smooth collaboration. Set up dashboards and reports. Create custom dashboards for leads, conversions, campaigns, and ROI. Clear reporting builds trust and shows value to clients. Finally, test everything before going live. Check forms, emails, workflows, and tracking to ensure accuracy. In summary, setting up HubSpot for agency clients helps you deliver organized systems, measurable results, and scalable growth. With the right CRM setup, automation, and reporting, agencies can manage clients professionally in 2026. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials.